Hey y'all, this is just being me with another bowl opening. This is Foodie Mini brand. And it says 65 plus mini to collect. Okay, so this is 5 prizes in there. So this is another I am about to open up, y'all. So here we go. Oh yeah, this is where it starts at, this zipper part right here. But y'all, it is so hard. So I'm trying to see, can I use my scissors to get me started with it, to open it up. So, 'cause it is hard. So you pull it right there. Alright, then what we do, we just pull this off of here. Okay, I'm trying to get this off, y'all. Pull this off right here. Oh, they really have these in here. Ugh, they are tough. Okay. Oh, now they have this theme on it. Look at this right here. Now they have this part up here. So I got to try to get that off too, y'all. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, y'all. This is the second layer of this. Okay, here we go, y'all. Here we go. Now how we get in this? All my paper, move all my paper out of the way. And I guess we open it. Whoa! Oh, Foodie Mini brand. So look at, wow, look at all of this up here. Whoa, look at this. Oh, wow. They have sodas and drinks. Burgers. Oh, look at these burgers. Oh, I hope I get a burger, y'all. So let's get into opening them, y'all. Here we go. Let's see what we get. Oh, we got a burger. Look at there. I guess, oh, this is Hearty Burger. Look at that burger, y'all, with the cheese melting, the hamburger, and I think a tomato and lettuce. This is so neat, but it don't come out, y'all. So this is a Hearty Burger. I just see it. I hope I get a burger. Yay! All right, I'll put that right there, my burger. Let's see what we get next. All right, let's see what's in this. Let's see what we get. I like these, y'all. I like these. All right, let's see. Oh, it's Subway. You do it say Subway? I can't hardly read it. It do say Subway. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it says Subway. Let me see. Can I move it back some? It won't. But this is the Sun sandwich, y'all. Look at that wheat bread. I guess this is wheat bread with the tomato and lettuce. I guess this must be tuna in here. I don't know if I ate a tuna sub before, but this is what it looked like. It looked like that's what it looked like, but I don't know, y'all. So we got a burger and we got a sub sandwich. Let's see what the next one is. Let's see, y'all. I like these. It's tuna. I knew it was tuna. What? What is this? Wow, look at this. I don't know what this is. It's a castle. They look like fries. What are they, fries? Oh. Okay, let's see what this is. This are what? Chicken? Chicken free? Chicken french fry?
Rings.
Chicken rings. Wow, chicken ring. What? Oh, wow. Y'all look at this. This is so cute. Oh, wow. This is so White Castle chicken wing. Chicken rings. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about some chicken wings, y'all. All right, let's put this one down. Oh, look at it. They are so neat. I love these. Okay, let's see what's in here. Let's see what this is, y'all. Oh, what? What is it? Chicken. It's like chicken and onions. Y'all, look at this. It's like chicken, and I can't hardly read these little righty. Chicken spring onions. That's what it looked like, y'all. You cannot hardly read the word. But that's what it says up here. It says chicken spring onions. Oh, this is so neat. I want to kind of open it. Oh, I don't think I can open it, y'all. This would have been neat if we could open it. Oh, they like little lips in here. But this is so cute. So this is my... Oh, wait, y'all. We got one more. We have one more. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, look at there. Friday? What? I never heard Friday. What is this? And it have a little sauce, y'all, to go with it. I guess we dip them in there. In the little sauce right there. And it say Friday. Oh, I love the container because it's stripy and red. Y'all, red is my favorite color. Oh my God, this is so neat how they put these in here. But they almost look like my other one. They almost look like these. But they'll look like a lighter color. But I hope y'all can see them. Y'all, this is so neat. Let's see what this is. These are pot stickers. Pot stickers. What? So do we eat these? They almost like apple pie, y'all. Dumplings. Oh, they are dumplings. I never had this before. Friday? They call them Friday? What? This is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. I love it because they take their time to make it, y'all. This is so cute. So this was my food opening ball. Yes, this was my Foodie Mini brands ball opening. There's my sub, my tuna sub. Y'all might need want to try it. So comment below if you like sub tuna sandwich with lettuce and tomato on it. And look at these. I just thought they were so cute how they just put them up there. And then, oh wow, the burger just take the cake, y'all. The burger take that. Yes, I have chicken wings. I have my chicken wings up here, y'all. These are my chicken wings, which I thought they was neat. White Castle chicken wings. And I just love this burger, how they just took their time to put that little burger in the little wrap right there. And it have hearty wrap. If you can see it. It have hearty wrap up there. And that is so cute. You can see that cheese melting on that hamburger and that tomato. And then you have your lettuce down there. Oh, y'all, this look delicious. I love the little box. Oh, do the box clamp down? What? Look. Oh, I didn't know that box clamp down. Y'all, this is so cute. I love this. This is my best one right here of the Foodie bowl opening. This is the best one. So I hope I get some more hamburgers or maybe some chicken nuggets or whatever, y'all. So I'll be opening up some more of these so y'all can see about these that I opened up. Somebody said they never seen them before, but I love opening because you're surprised to see what is in your little bowl. So y'all, until next time, this is Mrs. D just being me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know what Mrs. D is doing. That like button, give me a thumbs up. And y'all, don't forget to comment and have a wonderful day until the next ball opening. See y'all.